Hello coders, I am from Programming with Rocky. Today we will be discussing HTML heading. Heading are a fundamental part of any web pages as they provide structure and hierarchy to your content. They allow user and search engines to understand the organization of your page, navigate through it more efficiently. So let's create a project like the previous one so that we create a folder part 3. Then we need to make a file which is index.html. Now you have to write the structure so that we will type HTML then 5. It's done. In HTML, headings are titles or subtitles that we want to display on a web page. So there were 6 headings in HTML. Let me write this. So let's run this. For this, we need to go live. It will be starting. Yeah. So this is heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. So as you see that H1 is the biggest heading and H6 is the most smallest heading. From H1 to H6 is decreasing in size. By the way, H1 is 32 pixel or 2 em and the H6 is 10.72 pixel or 0.67 em. And there you have it. HTML heading are essential for creating well-structured web pages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.